I wonder if my practice's team likes working here. Hey doctors. In this episode of 7-Figure Doctor Tip of the Day, you will learn how to keep your practice's staff inspired and excited to come to work every day. My best tip to work on developing a strong, positive office atmosphere is to make sure everyone knows what their role is and what they need to do to excel in it. I know, this sounds redundant and simple. However, after hearing many doctors explain their struggles to keep their teams motivated, it's something we've found really easy to overcome. When you're in an office setting, people will often take things personally and they think they should have more influence or authority than they actually do. Some of our receptionists that we worked with may not be as passionate about their jobs as you are. So as a doctor, what you can do is model good leadership skills by helping out whenever you can. A great way to showcase these leadership skills is when a team member excels at something or a patient was really happy after a team made a patient at ease and really happy about their treatment. So you as a doctor need to commend them verbally and even incentivize when something positive like this happens. As well, when a patient seems discouraged about something, this is also a great time to recognize and provide constructive criticism for either this individual or as a team collectively. It's important to keep in mind that the practice's team is working to achieve a common goal and that no one has control over anyone else's job or their performance. Great practices always stay focused on the goal, and remember, we are only human in the end. Have an awesome remaining day and take care.